Welcome back. Sunil Kawthankar has demanded action on his complaints against the PWD Minister Churchill Alemao. He has also alleged that PWD Minister has caused loss of about 1,000 crore rupees to the state exchequer in his tenure as the minister.
Sunil Kawthankar alleged that PWD Minister Churchill Alemao in his tenure as minister has done many scams and has also violated rules. Sunil said that they have filed complaints to police against the PWD minister for causing loss to the state exchequer to the tune of 1,000 crore rupees.
गोयचो PWD मिनिस्टर आसा चर्चिल आलेमाव ताजेर आमी रिसेंटली 2 पुलीस कंप्लेन्स फायल केल्ल्यो आसा की ताणें खुबश्यो स्कॅमा केल्या PWD डिपार्टमेंटान जाचो तो लास्ट 3-4 वर्सां मिनिस्टर आसा. ताणें भरपूर रुल्स वायलेट केल्या आनी आपल्याक जाय तशी मनमानी आपली चलयल्या आनी सुमार स्टेटीक एकाच डिविजनान ताणें 17-18 कोटी एक प्रकार शॉर्ट टेंडर नोटीस म्हणटा तातूंत 300-350 कोटी आनी ओवरऑल जर सगळे PWDचे करीत जाल्यार ते 1000 कोटीच्या घरान वतले. ओपन एंड शट केस आसा करप्शनाची मिनिस्टरचे डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन आसा इंजिनियराचे ताजी नोटीस आसा तेन्ना हाज्याकून आनी बरें म्हाका दिसना आपलो देश स्ट्रॉंग करपाक हें करप्शन स्टॉप करपा शिवाय आनी कितें बरें कितें आसा अशें. आज पळय आज पर्यंत म्हाका पुलिसां कडल्यान कांयच येवंक ना कम्युनिकेशन डेट ताणें म्हाका सांगलेलें की कम्युनिकेट करतले लेटरूय येवंक ना म्हाका फोन कॉल येवंक ना अजून पर्यंत. सो फाल्यां तर एज इट इज आय डोंट थिंक सो संडे बिंडे रजिस्टर करीतशे. सो मंडे आय एम फायलिंग अ केस इन द कोर्ट.
Our video journalist from Panji, Ravindra Darvi.
500 Russian tourists are being facilitated by an incoming Caper travel agency. Russian Federation informed that the agency has guaranteed payments to all the hotels and has secured safe stay in Goa. These tourists were stranded at Daboli due to bankruptcy by its earlier travel agency.
Around 500 Russian tourists were stranded in Goa from 27 January. The sudden suspension by the tour operator following financial collapse brought anxiety amongst the tourists. There were apprehensions by the hotels for payment of the tourists already staying in Goa. Consul General of Russian Federation in Mumbai, Alexei Novikov, informed that the matter has been sorted out. An agency, Caper Travel, has guaranteed payments to all hotels. CEO of Caper Travel Agency, Mahanbir Singh, also informed that the departure of this tourist has also been looked into.
Fortunately, we have managed and we have saved, and we are proud to say the number of tourists that were expected for this season to Goa from Russia will not decrease because of Lata tour. Informed all the hotels that on the respective dates of departure we will be providing them departure transfers, and the departure tickets have been guaranteed and assured by Transaero that they will ensure they are departed back to Moscow. The ground support services as committed by Caper will be honoured.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Ashiana Trust by Fomento Resources celebrated its Ashiana Day recently. The trust strives to bring positive change in the lives of needy people. No defeat is final until you stop trying was the message for the gathering.
Ashiana Day was celebrated on 2nd February at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon. More than 120 differently abled students of Ashadeep School performed at the function. The students were trained by Mamta Hussain. Ashiana is a trust by Fomento Resources. It is committed to empowerment of women, health, education and children.
Give all that you can in all that you do, and we will support you wholeheartedly at Ashiana. We at Ashiana have been striving hard in our humble efforts to bring about a positive change in the lives of people who need it the most.
We always have the motto that no defeat is final until you have stopped trying. That was until I met Ashiana, who changed the motto for us. They made it. Every defeat can be turned into victory.
Gyan Jyoti Puraskar Scholarship was also awarded at the function. 78 students who excel in their studies from Karnataka and Maharashtra were also accorded with these scholarships.
असे स्माइल तांची चित्र आणि तांचे बरोबर जेन्ना म्हजो सारको संवेदनशील सेन्सिटिव्ह मनीस रावता पळय देन ओन्ली ही कॅन रायट समथींग ही कॅन क्रिएट समथींग अँड आय एम गोइंग टू डू इट.
President of Kokni Bhasha Mandal Dilip Borkar, Chairperson of Ashiana Vinny Timlo, Mamta Hussain, Chairman of Ashadeep Advocate Vijay and others were present for the function. Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Feast of Our Lady of Health was celebrated with religious fervour and gaiety at Kukule on Thursday. Father Santalino Dias in his sermon informed that we should brighten the world with divine light.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
It's time now for another short break. News from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.